Hey, how's it going, guys? A few months ago, actually 2 months ago, I made my first video on investing, and it didn't get too many views. I can understand why. I mean, I am a tech channel. I tend to talk about electronics and unboxing some products, and plus I'm not a financial advisor, so I guess there's no point in really listening to me talk about the stock market. Although this stock, since I last spoke about it on the channel, has gone up another 100%. Specifically, this company is called Tesla. Now, what if I told you at $2,000 a share, this company is still undervalued? Would you believe me? Because it did have a crazy run up since 1 year ago. It shot up by 10 times over because it used to be like 250 a share. Now it's 2,000 a share. And there are a few factors for this, I think. One is there could have been a short squeeze after they announced the stock split. Number two, people could be waiting for the S&P 500 inclusion. I don't know when that's coming up. I think it might be a week or 2 weeks from now they might announce it. Number three, there is Battery Investor Day that's coming close by, along with the annual shareholder meeting on September 22nd. And then Elon did mention that there is level 5 autonomy that could be ready by end of this year or early next year. I know he's not usually on time with these things. That would be insane, though, if he actually did deliver on time on that. That would be a huge game changer. So I think they are ahead compared to everyone else. I mean, you can go ahead and watch the video. I go more in depth on this in my previous video on this because they have a ton of driving data. So anyways, go ahead and watch that. I go more in depth on that. So this is just kind of an overview about it. These are some of the reasons that I see near term why it's beneficial. I wouldn't be surprised if there's also a pullback short term because, if you really look at things, the market is, I don't even know if it should be up this high in general. So I think it also could be the Fed pumping the stock market too. That could be another factor. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just kind of sharing my thoughts on how I think about all this. I do want to thank Alcatel for sponsoring this video. Alcatel has recently come out with their new budget smartphone called the Alcatel C21 that's running a Helio P60 octa-core processor with 64 gigs of internal storage, a 4,000 milliamp hour battery that they say can last you all day long, a large 6.4-inch Full HD Plus screen, and a 20 megapixel camera and a 16 megapixel rear matrix camera that has like the multiple cameras that you'll see in the back. I'll have links down below to where you can get more information.